Hey guys, Yami here, and today I am showing you this Blossom inspired 2000s look. This is a collaboration video with Lou Polarity, and she is doing a cartoon look based on Buttercup, and I am doing a more realistic version of Blossom. Make sure to give her video some love and check out her awesome look. So I already have my foundation on and my face primed with my eyelids and everything. So first thing I'm going to do is my eyebrows. To match the wig color, I am going to do orange face paint and to cover them. I am taking this orange eyeshadow and just layering it on top of the face paint on my eyebrows just to make the color more prominent. So I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do pink from the outside going into orange on the corner. Eyebrows and my eyes done. So I'm going to blush. For the lips, I'm going to keep it real 2000s and apply this Rainbow Nerds pink lip gloss with glitter. Adding some white eye zing as a highlighter, and I'm going to just highlight my nose with my finger. Just gonna go boop. Just a little highlight. Okay, here a little more highlighter on my nose. You can never have enough highlight. What I'm gonna do is the Powerpuff Girls colors. I am going to just make some lines going across my nose for Bubbles, Buttercup, and Blossom. So I decided that I wanted more blush, like a pinker blush on my cheeks, so I'm just taking some pink eyeshadow and blushing it on. My makeup, and I'm gonna go on and put on all the accessories and things. I have this orange wig. Also wearing a Powerpuff Girls themed outfit. I have a Powerpuff Girls shirt, bands. Give that nostalgic childhood feel. I think these were Disney princesses, like I think they were Disney princesses. So they're just different shapes. I have this seashell necklace. So lastly, to complete this look, I have this cute headband. So this headband was originally yellow, as you can see, but I painted it with some fabric paint to be red. So I'm just gonna place that on top. And I also have my nails painted gold just to go with the aesthetic look. I'm surprised of how it turned out. I'm really not that confident with more normal makeup because I always do face paint, but I think it actually turned out pretty cute. I could be a beauty guru, I think, maybe. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. Tell me in the comments below who is your favorite Powerpuff Girl. Actually, you'll be surprised. For me, it's Buttercup. Don't. I wanted to challenge myself since I'm always doing like dark colors, you know, so I wanted to change it up a bit, and I think it didn't turn out that bad. Make sure to check out Lou Polarity's video again. Like I said, it's an awesome video, and I am so happy to have collabed with her. It was so much fun just doing this video. Links below of her video and pictures of this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Powerpuff Girls. Powerpuff.